Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. If you like to see how I created this look inspired by the Wigs and Makeup Manager and Nelly Recchia, then please keep watching. I prepped my skin with the Urban Decay Optical Illusion Primer. This is a fantastic base if you've got deep open pores like I do, and it really helps to give that skin a flawless finish. Okay, so I have really thick eyebrows and have such a tough time covering them up. I have tried going the Elmer's glue route and that just didn't work out for me. So here I'm using the Mehron Spirit Gum, and once that dried I set it with the Mercier translucent setting powder and the DEPIXYM Cosmetic Emulsion. So for the face and body, I was going for more of a pale look. So I took this white from the Makeup Forever Flash Color case and I mixed it with the Huda Beauty Foundation in Toasted Coconut. I then decided it would be so much easier to do the rest of my body with the airbrush, so I mixed the Makeup Forever Color Airbrush in white with the airbrush colors from Temp 2 in White Shimmer and Sand. I prepped my eyelids with the P. Louise base in Rumour Shade 2. And I concealed my under eye area with the Makeup Forever Ultra HD Concealer. I used the Makeup Forever Flash Color case in red to cover up my other eyebrow. And set it with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Clear Brow Gel. I used the same red as a base for my eyelids. And I then set this with the Huda Beauty Ruby Obsessions palette in this color red. The liner is the Kat Von D ink liner. The mascara is the Better Than Sex mascara from Too Faced. For the outline of the skull, I use the Mehron metallic powder in silver with the mixing liquid. I then applied the Danessa Myricks Pigments in Love Story to my lids, and I used the NYX Glitter Primer as a base. I then began the crystallization process with previously prepared cut-out pieces using a variety of flat-backed crystals and pearls from Evol UK and Bluestreak Crystals, and I stuck these on using double-sided wig tape. I then applied individual crystals, and I did this using Aquafix glue. Forget about using regular eyelash glue, it just doesn't work as well. I then used the black from the Morphe 35B palette to create the shading. I then filled in the shading with the same red from the Huda Beauty Ruby Obsessions palette. I applied them using this awesome little tool called Crystal Katana. Filled in the other half of my lips with the same red from the Makeup Forever Flash Color case. To continue with the body painting and lace look, I used the Mehron Paradise Makeup Tropical palette in red. For the shading of the lace, I went in with the same red from the Huda Beauty Ruby Obsessions palette. I then applied the individual crystals to the lace using the Aquafix glue. Lashes are by Tatti Lashes in collaboration with Pretty Little Thing, and they're called She's Fire. Trying to apply these lashes with a Sclera lens in was so hard, I was literally blind. And that's it. If you liked today's video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you'd like to see any more of these looks, please consider subscribing.